Want to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll talk you through ways to tell if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. Now let's get started. WhatsApp won't tell you if someone has blocked you, but there are a few indicators that you may have been blocked by someone. Any messages sent to a contact who has blocked you will only show one gray checkmark to show your message was sent. They won't show a second checkmark to show that it was delivered or read. If you try to call the contact, your call won't go through. You can't see the contact's statuses, and you won't see updates to their profile photo. You can't add them to a group if you're a group admin, and you won't be able to see the contact's last seen time or online status. If you notice all these signs are present, this could mean that your contact has blocked you on WhatsApp, but they may also be due to other reasons, like if they don't have service on their phone, their device is turned off, etc. That wraps up all the signs to look out for to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. Want to block unknown callers on WhatsApp? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.